This is basically the next part of the language power. So one person told that who is basically into the AI technology. So one of the person from satellite told that we actually know one Elon Musk basically. He is basically have the all the AIs basically in this world basically, and he is basically the owner of the most of AI basically. So he also basically might not be knowing basically that the data basically is collecting of the AI basically, it is connecting up to this level basically, because he don't have the data of this child process basically which is going to happen basically, 3 lakh child basically which is going to happen basically, and this god family basically birth is going to happen, and this birth basically is connecting to this 3 lakh child which is has happened basically. This all data basically the AI group basically might not be having, but their data basically are 100% basically connecting to this future basically child is, that is basically 3 lakh child which is going to happen, and all are basically going to happen from ladies birth only ना basically, तो कहीं हवा में तो होगा नहीं basically. So lots of people say artificial क्या बोलते हैं sonography whatever graphy basically, that are there basically. Through chemicals also basically the data basically gets processed, but I am talking about the real data basically. 3 lakh basically the birth which is going to happen. So AI technology basically is connecting up to this level basically. So one person told that who actually started the AI basically. He might be knowing basically everything basically. And I am 100% sure basically the person who started the AI, he might not be never basically going to come in front. He might have kept lots of people basically in front and told that basically do this, do that, do this, do this, do this, do this. And slowly basically the AI concept basically came into picture. And one of the person told that why basically AI become more popular? Because they are paying 1 crore, 2 crore to the data scientist also. So the post basically which have more than 1 crore salary basically, that automatically will become famous, na basically. So just see the software companies basically are playing with the minds basically. So next we listen.